In this video, I will show you how to hide a conversation with PIN in Zangi app. So simply open Zangi app. After that, click on the setting gear in bottom right corner. Then click on privacy. Here you can find hide conversation. Click on it. Now hiding conversation is a premium feature, so you will have to subscribe to Zangi Premium to access it. And if you have already subscribed to it, once you click on hide conversation, you will have to set a passcode. Once you set up a passcode, you can go back to any chat that you want to hide. Then click on this 3 lines menu bar in the top right corner. Here you will find hide conversation. Simply click on it. After that, your conversation will be hidden. To find your hidden conversation, what you will have to do is simply scroll this chat a little up. Then the search bar will appear. You will have to particularly search for the number or the person to find the hidden chats. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.